We work hard to give everyone the very best, and when we hear we've made a difference, it makes it all worthwhile. Here's a fantastic review about just one of many happy experiences. We're always thrilled to hear about a happy experience with our company. We work hard to deliver 5-star top-shelf service to each and every individual. It's great to receive positive feedback since it's a fantastic confirmation that our focus on quality really is the best approach. As much as we love earning our 5-star reviews from past visitors, we also love earning 5-star reviews from new people. We want to earn one from you. Thanks for watching. We look forward to working with you. Call us today at the number on your screen. Have a nice day.